much change if it wasn't for you. Don't know what I'd do. Unpredictable.